This video got 2.9 million views, but the genius is not in the video itself. It's in the whole strategy that Higgsfield AI used to get hundreds of millions of views and hundreds of thousands of users to their platform. Let's see how they did it. By the way, this is my new series, Viral Decoded, and here I'll cover one viral trend or one viral business every single week that will help you to get more views, more leads, and more sales for your business. So make sure to stay tuned every single week. This trend mainly consists of three parts. So firstly, it starts with an extremely visual and catchy hook. It's this falling from the sky trend. This trend easily stops people from scrolling away and it immediately gets people to watch the rest of the video, right? So the point is, if your hook is weak, if your hook isn't grabbing enough attention, it doesn't even matter honestly what you're saying after in the video, because nobody will see that, right? So that's why it's very important to find a hook for your video which is extremely catchy, which will immediately stop people from scrolling away so that they will actually see what you have to say. When I look at my clients' videos, in 90% of cases the hook is the problem. The hook is weak, and that's why people are not seeing the rest of the video. If you want to get more views, focus on creating better hooks. Now the second part of this hook is how to do this. Curiosity gap. To immediately create a gap in your mind, a burning question in your mind. How do I do this? And then even if you're just an average Joe, if you're an average user, you still want to see how you can create something very interesting like this. How can you create something like this with AI which will get people to think about, wow, that's very cool for yourself. That way they're catering to a very average person, they're not very niche, because the more niche you are, the less views you will get. This is catering to an average user so that it has that huge viral potential. Because remember, if you want to go viral, you need to be wide. You need to be able to cover the questions that most people are interested in hearing about. If you want to go niche, of course there's still a lot of money in going very niche, but don't expect to get hundreds of millions of views with it. You need to go wide. You need to talk about widespread topics that most people would be interested in. By the way, I use Viralityai to find this trend. Make sure to check out Viralityai, it's completely free to use. If you're interested in creating this trend, I've created like a tutorial on how to do this, so yeah, it's completely free too. I'm gonna drop it in the description below. By the way, I'm not sponsored by Higgsfield, so this is just to help you out. Maybe you can use it for your offer. So, as I said, two winning parts of this formula are firstly the visual hook and then this curiosity gap that it creates. After that comes a tutorial. And if we didn't have these two parts, primarily the hook, the rest of the video wouldn't even matter because it would never go viral. Look at this, like the rest of the video is basically like a screen recording. Screen recording is in general very simple to do. It's something that you can do. But if, let's say, the video started here, you would never watch this video until the end. But right now you have the context, you were hooked in, and you can't stop watching. Now the genius part. Higgsfield AI presented itself as the only solution to the problem. This is not the only video that mentions Higgsfield as the solution to the problem. These kinds of videos created Higgsfield as the only solution to the problem of how do I create this viral trend. If you think about it, what happens is now their offer, their product is the only solution on the market that can solve something like that. This means they have no competition. And when you have no competition, you don't need to sell. People simply buy because it's the logic. Now, important thing is, if you notice here, 2-year unlimited Nano Banana Pro, they're also running an offer which is related to what people need to do. Now it's even more enticing to buy immediately. By doing all of this, Higgsfield created irresistible offer at the right moment when influencers were talking about their tool. Now, of course, I suppose most of this content, this video and many other videos that I saw on my feed was sponsored by Higgsfield, but this is what makes it genius. By getting influencers to talk about specific trend that they noticed very early, which is very catchy, and then they adapted their offer to be around that trend and created that curiosity gap of how do I do this? They created an irresistible offer at the right time to get hundreds of millions of views and probably hundreds of thousands of users. I'm not sure how much revenue they generated, but it's huge numbers. The main lesson that you need to remember here is that absolutely any hook can work for any niche and it can work for any offer. The whole point is you need to find a trend which is very widespread, that people are talking about, something that's currently happening in the world. Then think about how can I relate this to my offer. Then think about which problem your offer solves and then connect those two with the curiosity gap. When you do this, just as Higgsfield did, you will immediately start getting hundreds of thousands, millions of views on that video, which is immediately related to your offer. I'm going to show you another type of post that got me personally hundreds of thousands of users for my tool Viralityai. You can see 11,000 likes. It took me 4 years to get 1 billion views, but I'll teach you in 4 seconds. It's a very powerful hook. It has this crazy visual, again visual plus curiosity, and then tutorial after that, which shows my tool Viralityai as the only solution. Now, of course, Higgsfield AI and Viralityai are not the only tools on the market that can help with this specific problem. But the point with this method is find a trend, adapt it so that it suits your offer, create curiosity between them, and then show your offer as the only solution. That way you're getting millions of views, especially if you focus on a very widespread viral trend, and you will get hundreds of thousands of eyeballs on your offer, leads, clients, sales, however you want to call it. That's pretty much it for today's series, Viral Decoded. I'm gonna drop more value like this every single week, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video so algorithm pushes it forward. And yeah, if you have a specific trend or a specific business model or anything else that you want me to cover and you kind of want to see like how can I apply this for myself or how can I start this business, drop it in the comments below and I'll try to cover it every single week. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.